Shruti from this Tutors, and in this video we are going to learn about measurement. So these are the subtopics that we will be covering today. First we will talk about how to guess the distance between two places. Then we will talk about introducing kilometers. Then it will be half quarters and 3/4 of kilometers and meters, and in the last we will talk about how to convert units. So before starting the lesson, we have some questions for you. You can try these questions out and you can pause the video. Once you are done with the answers, you can resume it to check your answers. Now let's check the answers. In question number 1, 4 multiplied by 100 will give you 400. 5 times 100 is same as 5 multiplied by 100, that is 500. And in question number 3, the circle bigger number will be 30 and the part B bigger number will be 70. So pat it back for your good efforts and congratulations if you have got all correct. So can we guess the distance between two places? Let's find out how. So Ria wanted to measure the distance between her classroom and school gate using a tape. She walked 4 steps and then measured the distance with the tape. She found that 4 steps equals to 2 meters. So again, she walked from her classroom to school gate, and to reach school gate she took 48 steps. So let's see that how many groups of 4 we can make out of 48, because we know the 4 steps are approximately equal to 2 meters. So for grouping we use divisions. Let's divide 48 by 4, that is 12, which means that we have 12 stages, and if 4 steps equals to 2 meters, that means 12 will be 12 times by 2, that is 24 meters. So the distance between her classroom and the school gate is approximately 24 meters. Have you ever wondered that why cannot we measure distance between two cities in meters? So when you go home from school, that distance is very large in comparison to millimeters and centimeters. So the distance is really large. Same over the distance between two cities. So we use term kilometer to measure them. As you can see, we have a distance board over here. So for example, to reach Pulpul, distance needed to cover is 35 kilometers. It tells about the total distance from the current position to the destination. Now let's learn what are half quarters and 3/4 of a meters. As we know, 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeters, and we can write 100 as 50 add 50, that is same as 100 centimeters. Now it means half of 100 is 50, or half in a meter is 50 centimeters. Similarly, we can also write 100 as 25 add 25 add 25 add 25, which makes it a quarter of 100 is 25. So a quarter of meter will be 25 centimeters, and we can times 25 by 3 to get 3/4. So 3/4 of 100 is 75. That means 3/4 of a meter will be 75 centimeters. Now let's learn how to convert meters into centimeters. So as we know, 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeters. So to find 2 meters, we can multiply 100 by 2 to get 2 meters in centimeters. So 2 meter is equal to 200 centimeters. So you can use the same strategy to solve these two questions. You can pause the video to try them out, and once you are done with the answers, you can resume it to check your answers. For question number 1, answer will be 400 centimeters, and question number 2, that is half of 5 meters. So 5 meter will be 500 centimeters, and half of it will be 250 centimeters. So pat it back for good efforts and congratulations if you've got it correct. Similarly, now let's see what is half quarters and 3/4 of kilometers. So as we know, 1 kilometer is 1000 meters. So half of 1 kilometer will be 500 meters, and we can write it as 250 add 250, which will give you a quarter of kilometer, which that will be equals to 250 meters. And if we need to find 3/4 of 1 kilometer, that will be 250 times by 3, that is 750 meters. So here are some questions for you to try to convert following. You can pause the video to try them out, and once you are done with the answers, we will check them together. So 1 meters is 100 centimeters, 1 kilometer is 1000 meters. So 2 kilometer will be 2000 meters, and if you need to find out half of 4 kilometer, that will be 2000 meters, because 4 kilometer will be 4000 meters and half of it will be 2000. We will do same with 10 kilometers and answer will be 5000 meters. Well done. Congratulations if you have got all correct. So now it's practice time. So we have two questions for you and these are word problems. You can pause the video to try them out, and once you are done with the answers, you can resume the video to check your answers. So in question number 1, Ria walked 3 kilometers and Maya walked 500 meters. So 3 kilometers is same as 3000 meters. So definitely Ria has covered maximum distance. And in question number 2, Vishek says that school is 3 centimeters from his school. Saurabh says that his school is 2 kilometers from his schools. And we have learned that we use kilometers as a unit for the last distance. So that means Saurabh is using a right unit in this context. Well, that's amazing. Congratulations if you've got all correct. Thank you for watching the video. For more, please visit justtutors.com.